Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here, and today I have a little unboxing of some Happy Mail that I received from Stella Beau Sticker Co. And I'll open that in a minute. Now, the reason why I purchased these is in my Hobonichi weeks, I find most Hobo kits are really quite boring. I'm not really interested in all these little square stickers. I like things a little bolder. For example, this was using up some pieces from a normal sticker kit that I had left over from my A5 days, and I like the look of this much better. I like a couple of deco stickers and things like that. I just prefer it. So when stores have sales and things, I try and find things that I can use. I have bought a la carte sheets from particular companies so that I can buy the sheets, you know, that have like 8 of the larger deco stickers on it, the full box stickers. And I find that much more fun to work with than boring old Hobonichi kits. So I found something new. I have never ordered from this store before, but I love foil and I love some of these designs. Now, I haven't actually looked at these yet. I just tore the envelope open because I don't think you need to see me do that. And the reason why I bought these was because these are like a mini kit. So let's have a look what you actually get in a mini kit. So she's put each one in its own bag, which is not a bad thing. It means they travel nicely, so that's handy. So let's have a look at the first one. Now, I have got a little freebie here. That's cute, I like those. They're like little flat lays, so that's nice. And here is, this is because I purchased in the PBC sale. So this is gorgeous gold foiled icons. If you can see, oh, it's a bit hard to see there. Oh, there we go. That's a great little selection of icons there, and they're all gold foiled. And here is a mini kit. So each kit gives you 7 full boxes, and then there's a checklist, a weekly list, some half boxes, and then the second page has all sorts of other goodies that I can use in my Hobonichi. You just have to be a little bit creative. So, I have actually used this style before. It takes up a little bit of space. It makes that main box. Actually, hang on, let's have a look. Let me see if I can find the week where I actually tried that. And I didn't mind it. Yeah, I lost a little bit of space, but hang on, where is it? I wasn't totally opposed. Oh, now I can't find it. Where did it go? I know I have done it before, and I didn't think it was this long ago. Where is it? Hang on, we'll keep flipping. Oh, I can't find it. Anyway, never mind. I have used the date covers in that area, and they looked quite nice. And I've got plenty of date dot stickers, lots of great little boxes that I can use. There's some really cute icons. I like those, and they're a little bit larger. I don't mind that at all either. But I just loved this design, and look at this foiling. Let's see if we can look at that. That's actually really lovely. And I love those designs. So I should be able to get at least, actually probably I can get 3 spreads out of this. They'll all be a little bit different, but making use of what's here, I think I could possibly do that. So I think this is a great way to decorate my Hobonichi, and I love this silver foil. So that's one of the kits I got. Now, the next one I got, it is coffee related. I can, oh, hang on now, where's the opening? Oh, here we go, it's up here. I love coffee related things, and this one I chose because you can pick your foil color. This one, have a look at this. This is all rose gold foiling. I'll see if we can catch that in the light there. So like this one's just got lots of little sprinkles of rose gold foil, and I absolutely love that. So of course the kit is exactly the same. Love the color tones of this one. And again, I can probably do about 3 different spreads, and of course also using up some of the things in my stash, but I'm fine with that. So, oh, I like this one too. This one's got that lovely big double box sticker. Well, that fit. Oh my gosh, look at that. It fits. Because I don't think I've had any kits before that I've got. Look at that. The double box will fit perfectly in there. Oh, I like that. That is absolutely gorgeous. And I love those little sprinklings of rose gold. So, love that one. Then the next one. So, what's this? This one's called Zoe. Now, I believe this is one of her PR girls. This one is sort of dedicated to her. It must be a style that she likes. Again, I picked the rose gold foil. Can you look at that gorgeous globe? Can you see the foiling on that? It's actually really gorgeous. This one does have a little bit of a nautical theme. If I was going on a cruise soon, I would definitely be using this kit. But look at this gorgeous little starfish, lots of rose gold foil. Love the colorings of that one. And see, leftover pieces from this I can, of course, also team with other bits that I have. So that one is absolutely beautiful too. Love the colors in that. Okay, so that's gorgeous. And then the lucky last one, this one is Lumiere, and I have picked silver foil for this one. I just think the silver foil and all things moony seem to go well together. Again, look at it. It's just completely covered in silver sparkle. And it's all moon related. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the artwork on that one. And all nice blacks and greys. This will look great in winter, I think, in my planner. So I am going to have fun with these. So yes, very, very happy with these. I like the paper. It seems nice and smooth, but on the thinner side, which again is a big plus for a Hobonichi. Some of those thick vinyl stickers, they certainly tend to bulk up your planner. So these are on the thinner side. I don't mind that at all. And I love all this splattery foiling. This one here is just magic. So there we go. So that's just my little haul I thought I would show you. And yes, I decided to buy these so that I can do more spreads that are something along those lines. Because I really do, I like to include, you know, the larger picture elements in my spreads a lot of the time. Always, you know, seem to find something that I like, something a bit bigger. So these are going to be absolutely perfect. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this little show and tell. I love these stickers and I love the foiling. I'm going to enjoy using them. So until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. I'll be back soon. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you would join in along. I do planner and paper crafting videos. And if you would hit the like button, I would really appreciate it. With a little thumbs up, just lets YouTube know that you've enjoyed my video. So take care for now. Bye.